Good morning, Dukanistas. It's an early Saturday morning. I thought I'm going to share a recipe with you out of volume 2. So the coach is probably going to chase me around the house and gaan my wil byt omdat ek dit doen. Maar ek wil baie graag met julle hierdie resep deel. So today we're going to do the soy protein smoothie endurance booster smoothie. So this is a smoothie that you drink if you need endurance for the day, which me and my mom do because we're going to go fetch my niece and nephew and we're going to spend today and tomorrow with them. We're going to go walking, we're going to be up and down, and those two are still very small, so they're going to keep us busy, and we're going to need that energy. So let's get started. Coach, hello.
Hello, just please don't use this protein smoothie as a meal replacement. Only use it for when you are go hiking or walking or a park run. Please.
It's an endurance smoothie,
Yes.
Not a meal replacement.
Yes.
Because remember, me and my mom, we had our hot oat bran porridge this morning. That was our breakfast. Now we're having this to give us endurance till lunch because we're going to run around. So we need to remember, have your breakfast, have your lunch, have your dinner, have your snack in between. This is important, guys.
Now this is for
Watch it.
We're doing this for that walk with those for the kids. We're going to walk with the kids.
We're not going to walk, we're going to run.
So that they can fall asleep early.
Okay, so let's start. We're going to use 45 mils of the soy protein isolate protein powder. And if you have questions about anything in this recipe, please ask Coach. If you hear Misha in the background, you guys have met her now and you know you're going to hear her in the videos. So we're going to do 45 mils of the protein powder. Okay, so this is a 30 ml. And then this is a 15 ml, so that will be our 45 ml of protein powder. But because I'm making me and my mom each one, I'm going to double everything in the recipe. So for one, it's 45, but for two, it's 90. Okay. So I'm just going to add another one of the 30 and another one, oh that was the 15, sorry, and another one of the 30. So now we've got 90 ml of the protein powder. That is the first ingredient. Now, yes, die stel mors jy al klaar so vroeg in die resep in. Okay, now we're going to go on to the oat bran. So we're going to use 60 ml because we are doubling up. Okay, so that's 15, 30, 45, 60. Okay. Then we're going to do some sweetener drops of the Tandalize because ons soek om soet. Remember, just measure with your heart. Everyone has a different preference. Okay, then we're going to add in 150 ml of fat-free or low-fat milk. Okay. So this is 125 ml. This is just low-fat milk. So I'm going to do 2 of these. Ooh, excuse me.
Ek love hierdie smoothies. Almal love dit.
So we're going to do 2 of those. And then I need 50 ml. Which is, this is a 60, so I'll just do a little bit like that. Okay. If my math is not mathing, just giggle and move on. Okay, just follow the recipe. Now we're going to do plain yogurt. So I need to do 60 ml of plain yogurt for one smoothie, so I'm going to do 120 ml for 2 smoothies. So this is your low-fat plain yogurt.
Kan ek die sous-chef wees en solank vir jou die vrugte doen?
Oh, please. So the next ingredient will be the frozen berries. So mom's just going to prepare this for me in the 125 because we need 2 of these.
So dis 1 koppie. This is 2 tolerated.
Yes, thank you, Mom.
Ons moet 'n groot koppie ingebruik.
Thanks, Mom. Okay, so we need 2 of the 60 ml of plain yogurt.
Mooi strawberry, julle.
Okay, so we did 2 scoops of the plain yogurt. Oh, where's my that silky? Okay. Now while Mom is busy prepping that for us, oh, thanks, Mom.
Sorry, it's frozen. It would have fit if it wasn't frozen.
Okay, but we need 2.
There's 1 cup, eh? So it's
Oh,
125.
did you do 1 cup? Okay,
Yeah.
so now we've got 2 times 125, which is a cup for me and Mom. Oh, good, like so lekker. So I'm just gonna add that in. Thank you, Mom. Okay, next ingredient, we're going to add a few drops of the Dash of Flavor Black Currant. It's a berry smoothie after all. We want it to taste divine.
What do we usually put in?
Fusion drops.
Okay, so we're replacing that with sugar-free 100% extract from the Dash range.
So I put 30 drops, so 15 for Mom, 15 for me.
Gee whiskers, hierdie kind.
Oh no, I'm addicted to those Dash of Flavor fusion drops. Not fusion drops.
Het jy nie klaar sweet nie?
Oh, I did, yes.
Nee, gelukkig is jou sous-chef langs jou. Anders
Okay, now we're going to add a few cubes of ice.
Jy hoef nie skaam te wees met die ys nie. Dit is lekker groot bekers.
I think that'll be enough.
Dit baie mooi.
So now, this is optional.
Kan hulle hom sien die menger?
Okay, it's optional. We found these lemons at Woolworths that are pink. They're pink lemons. How cute is that? So this is so beautiful. It just
Right.
smells like a normal lemon, but they're pink.
Mm.
It's so cute. So we're going to add a little squeeze of fresh lemon. Then there's no seeds, so please don't worry. So what the lemon does is it just brightens the flavor. And yes, my recipe book is right in front of me.
Ja, wys julle hoe moes dit. Dis een van die resepte in daai pragtige nuwe boek.
So there's the recipe that we're busy with now.
And what's next to it? This is a quick sneak peek.
So next to it is the milkshakes. So if I tell you about volume 2, it's one of the most incredible books that my mom has ever thought of creating, because the recipes in this book is just phenomenal.
Okay.
So now we've got everything. We are going to close this and we're going to blend. I'm going to pause the video because it's going to be incredibly loud. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3. Boom! And it's done.
Hy ras oor hy ras. Bring my mooi bekers.
Okay, just to show you, this is the color. It's purple because why? Dukan is purple.
Pas op dan met poplant.
So,
Hierso sit dit. Hierso.
we're going to... Ooh!
Wat het jy daar raakie daar?
So we're going to add this into our beautiful, beautiful Dukan traveling mugs. So, I'm going to show you. This is Mom's. It says, let them, let me, with our beautiful badge and Mom's name. Then there's mine with my name. And it says, let them, let me, with our badge.
And
How
if you want to order those, you can send me a WhatsApp message, eh? You can order one for yourself as well.
And we're addicted to this. I use this every single day. Just to remind you, it's in volume 2 on page 79.
Mooi kan alles saam.
Everything's purple.
En hier is nog purple. En Michie se snackie is ook purple.
Okay, so I just want to wipe this. Just give me
Ek
2
weet nie hoekom het
seconds.
hy dit gedoen nie.
Okay,
Ja,
Oh,
net vas
wow.
onder hier is daai moet uitval.
while I was blending this, I added a little bit of extra milk because you just have to keep an eye on the consistency, because you have to make it the consistency that you like. Okay.
Daar sê. Ek dink jy hoef altyd te gooi nou nie. Ons proe gou-gou.
Okay.
Wag, kan gooi gou-gou net 'n bietjie in so 'n glas of dit vir lekker wys hoe mooi is dit. Hierso. En dan kan ons hom gou-gou proe. Hierso is 'n glas.
Okay, I'm going to ask you to do that for me, please, Mom.
Okay.
Okay, so please remember this is not a meal replacement.
Very important. Dr. Dukan does not allow protein
Coach will
shakes.
know. Coach will feel it in her bones if you do it.
Okay, I'm just going to get a lekker.
So this is just, we just poured some in a glass just so that you can see how it looks. Ooh, it's Vicky. That's his turkey. Oh, now we each get one.
Yeah.
As if we don't have the same DNA.
Okay, ons proe gou-gou.
Okay, go split.
Nee, ek kan nie my gesig daartoe
Is
bring
okay.
nie. Ek het microneedling gedoen. Hier sak.
It is absolutely
Nee, my hel.
incredible.
Ek is jammer, maar dis regtig baie lekker.
So go try this recipe. It's a little gift from me and mom to you. Have a fantastic Took Unleashes weekend and be safe.
Ching ching!
See you soon.